This is Project Quo Vadis, an E.C.D custom Defender 110, finished to our client's exact specification. Quo Vadis is painted in full gloss Epsom green with black accents. This project sits on 18-inch sawtooth wheels with Michelin row tyres. This 110 features a classic front bumper with daytime running lights and E.C.D custom steering guard up front. Inside, Project Quo Vadis features an Evander wood steering wheel with all-American nickel gauges, Recaro orthoped front seats, a 60-40 split bench mid-row, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a single diamond vertical spinny-back leather stitched together in brown. This 110 is powered by our 450 horsepower GM LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. This 110 features an array of modern elements such as touchscreen radio with JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, and access to USB charging points throughout.